The RANDRIDE Explorer Pro Ebike is a remarkable machine that combines robust engineering with the spirit of adventure. When I took it for a spin in the North Georgia mountains, every mile confirmed that this fat tire electric bike is designed to excel in the most challenging terrains. From the moment I laid eyes on the Explorer Pro, the muscular frame, aggressive fat tires, and sleek design exuded confidence. It looks like it was designed to explore the rugged beauties of nature without compromise. The bike comes equipped with a powerful 1000 watt brushless motor that delivers an impressive 90 Newton meters of torque. This power is harnessed through a removable 48 volt 20 amp lithium battery. Built with premium grade cells from industry leaders like Samsung and LG, the battery promises an outstanding range of over 72 miles in pedal assist mode and approximately 57 miles when relying solely on electric power. This generous range is complemented by an advanced battery management system that protects against overcharge, overheating, and voltage fluctuations, ensuring that the battery remains reliable over more than 2,000 charge cycles. On a long, challenging ride through the mountains, this meant that I could focus on the journey rather than about recharging. The digital LCD display is another highlight of the Explorer Pro. Unlike typical monochrome displays, this one offers a vibrant, colorful interface that enhances data visibility while reducing eye strain. Its design is not only visually appealing, but also highly functional, providing real-time information on speed, battery level, mileage, and gear selection. Additionally, the integrated USB charging port on the display allows you to charge your phone or other devices, ensuring you stay connected even in remote areas. In the midst of a ride through unpredictable mountain weather, having access to reliable, easy-to-read information proved to be indispensable. One of the aspects that truly sets the Explorer Pro apart is its exceptional braking and suspension systems. The bike is outfitted with Shimano hydraulic brakes that offer precise, responsive stopping power during steep descents. Even a slight tap of the brake lever provided controlled deceleration, giving me the confidence to navigate sharp turns and sudden drops without hesitation. The braking performance was consistent regardless of the terrain, whether I was riding on wet, muddy paths or dry, rocky surfaces. The suspension system played a pivotal role in ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. The front suspension fork, constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy, boasts 110 millimeters of travel and features hydraulic lockout technology. This allowed me to switch to a more rigid mode during climbs, maximizing efficiency while absorbing the shocks of rough terrain. At the rear, the aluminum alloy saddle suspension employs a sophisticated 4-bar linkage system with 90 millimeters of travel, effectively reducing vibrations and minimizing fatigue even on the most treacherous trails. The combined effect of these systems was a ride that felt both exhilarating and remarkably controlled. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed. Unboxing the bike is straightforward, and all necessary tools for assembly are included. First, I removed the packaging straps and opened the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down, slid the e-bike out carefully. Then I removed all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the RANDRIDE Explorer Pro e-bike. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike stem, centering the handlebars and rotating them to align with your preferred riding position before tightening the bolts securely. For the front wheel, loosen the bolts of the protective bar on the front fork. Add the front wheel and tighten the bolts to ensure it is secure. The pedals are clearly marked for the left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use a wrench to further tighten them easily. Install the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the fork brace, attaching the headlamp, and then adjusting its orientation to face forward. Riding through the North Georgia mountains presented a diverse array of challenges. From steep inclines to unpredictable surface conditions, I embarked on my adventure during an early morning ride when the mist still clung to the valleys and the air was crisp with the promise of exploration. As I started on well-maintained roads that gradually transitions into rugged mountain paths, the fat tires measuring 26-inch by 4-inch proved their worth immediately. These tires, built with a puncture-resistant design that includes built-in tire liners and 5mm sub-tread protection, delivered exceptional grip on everything from gravel and wet surfaces to rocky trails. The aggressive tread pattern was particularly noticeable on steep, loose surfaces where it provided a reassuring sense of stability and control. The experience of climbing the steep mountain trails was nothing short of exhilarating, with the 1,000-watt motor providing a consistent burst of power. The bike managed to conquer inclines of up to 40 degrees with ease. The Shimano 27-speed gear shift system was essential in these moments, allowing me to adjust my cadence to match the demands of the terrain. As I shifted into lower gears on the steepest sections, the transition was smooth and nearly silent, as if the motor and gears were working in perfect harmony. The feeling was akin to being in sync with the very nature around me. Each pedal stroke was amplified by the powerful motor, yet there was always a sense of control that allowed me to enjoy the challenge rather than feel overwhelmed by it. The ride was not solely about conquering slopes, however. The bike's performance on flat and gentle rolling sections of the trail was equally impressive. In these moments, I was able to appreciate the seamless integration of technology and design. The LCD display kept me informed about my progress without even distracting me from the road ahead. I could easily monitor the battery status, adjust the gear settings, and even charge my phone on the go, thanks to the convenient USB port. This integration of technology ensured that I remained fully aware of my surroundings and could make informed decisions on the fly, whether it was planning the next leg of my journey or simply enjoying the breathtaking vistas that unfolded before me. Descending from the lofty heights of the mountains was another experience that highlighted the strengths of the Explorer Pro. The combination of robust hydraulic brakes and wide gripping tires made it possible to descend steep slopes with a level of confidence that is rarely found in other e-bikes. When navigating challenging downhill segments, the bike's brakes responded with remarkable precision, offering a controlled deceleration that allowed me to take sharp turns and avoid obstacles with ease. Comfort is a critical factor on long rides, and the Explorer Pro does excel here. The bike's seating position is carefully optimized to balance a sporty feel with long-distance comfort, ensuring that even during extended rides, fatigue tends to be minimized. The geometry of the frame, coupled with the adjustable suspension settings, allows me to fine-tune the ride to match the conditions of the trail. By making slight adjustments to the preload settings on the front fork, I was able to customize the suspension response, which made a significant difference when transitioning from smooth roads to rugged off-road sections. This level of customization ensured that every bump was absorbed effectively, creating a ride that was both smooth and responsive. I took the Explorer Pro on rugged mountain gravel roads that twisted through hilly terrain, where every bump and loose patch demanded full capabilities of my ride. The powerful 1,000-watt brushless motor and robust 90 Nm of torque made climbing steep hills a manageable task. On steep, sustained hills, I prefer using pedal assist as opposed to throttle only to sustain battery life. The fat 20-inch by 4-inch CST tires delivered exceptional grip and stability on loose gravel and scattered rocks. On steep downhills, I felt especially uneasy on lesser bikes because of the risk of tire slip and uncontrolled skidding during deceleration. The Explorer Pro's advanced Shimano hydraulic brakes and responsive suspension system gave me the confidence to tackle these dangerous sections with ease. The precise braking, performance, and sturdy tire design worked in perfect unison, ensuring that even on unpredictable, uneven surfaces, I maintained control and security throughout the ride. In contrast, I also pushed the Explorer Pro along paved mountain roads that featured steep inclines and sharp declines. On the climbs, the smooth pavement allowed the motor to deliver rapid acceleration and sustained power, making the uphill journey feel effortless despite the demanding gradient. On the descents, the combined weight of the bike and myself generated significant momentum, emphasizing the critical need for precise handling, reliable balance, and top-tier braking performance. Here, every feature of the Explorer Pro, from the intuitive Shimano 27-speed gear system and the integrated LCD display to the advanced front and rear suspension setups, contributed to a ride that was both exhilarating and safe. The comprehensive design of the Explorer Pro ensured that I could navigate both rough, unpredictable gravel roads and fast, challenging paved routes with consistent confidence and control. In addition to its technical capability, the Explorer Pro is an all-around companion for a wide range of riders. It is ideally suited for those who seek adventure on off-road trails, as well as for urban commuters who require a reliable long-range electric bike for daily use. The combination of a powerful motor, advanced suspension, and a user-friendly interface makes the bike accessible to both experienced mountain bikers and newcomers to the world of electric bikes. Its intuitive controls and comprehensive safety features provide a level of reassurance that is essential when navigating unfamiliar or challenging terrain. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or someone looking to explore the benefit of electric biking for the first time, the Explorer Pro offers a riding experience that is both empowering and enjoyable. Throughout my ride in the North Georgia mountains, the interplay between technology and nature was a constant source of inspiration. As I ascended rocky paths and descended into shadowed valleys, the Explorer Pro demonstrated that it's not merely a machine, but an extension of the rider's own capabilities. By the end of the day, after navigating challenging climbs, fast descents, and a variety of terrain, I was left with a profound appreciation for the level of detail and engineering that went into the Explorer Pro. This is a bike that understands the demands of off-road riding, delivering power, efficiency, and control when it is needed most. The experience in the North Georgia mountains was a vivid reminder that an e-bike can be more than just a means of transportation. It can be a gateway to adventure and exploration. Every element, from the sturdy frame and dynamic suspension to the powerful motor and intuitive controls, contributed to a ride that was as technically impressive as it was emotionally rewarding. Ultimately, the RANDRIDE Explorer Pro is more than just an electric bike. It is a statement of intent. It declares that adventure need not be hindered by the limitations of traditional bicycles. With its innovative design and powerful performance and comprehensive safety features, it is an invitation to experience the world in a way that is both exhilarating and sustainable. As I reflect on the journey, the thrill of conquering steep mountain trails, the comfort of a smooth ride on rough terrain, and the peace of mind provided by dependable technology all come together to form an unforgettable narrative. This is a bike that promises and delivers an exceptional riding experience, whether you are navigating the busy streets of a city or exploring the untamed beauty of the mountains. In every sense, the RANDRIDE Explorer Pro embodies the spirit of adventure and the relentless pursuit of excellence. It is a machine that bridges the gap between human determination and technological innovation, offering riders a taste of freedom that is both powerful and accessible. My ride in the North Georgia mountains confirmed that this e-bike is built for those who dare to explore beyond the ordinary, blending the excitement of high performance with the reliability needed for everyday challenges. The experience was a reminder that with the right equipment, every journey can become an adventure worth savoring. Every trail an opportunity to test your limits, and every descent a reminder that the best experiences often lie just beyond the next hill.